How to upload YouTube Shorts on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can upload YouTube Shorts. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your YouTube. Make sure that you're logged into your account and you also have a YouTube channel. After you do all that, you can simply tap on this plus icon on the bottom, and after you tap on it, you can record a video, or you can just choose a video from the gallery option on the left hand side to select a video that you want to upload. After selecting the video, now you can upload it. All you need to do is simply tap on the next button. As you can see, after you tap on next, now you can add a caption. So just add a caption, and now you can even choose the visibility here. You can choose public, unlisted, or private, and you can even schedule the posting time. After doing that, you can choose your location if you want to, or select audience. You can select your audience if it's made for kid or not, and there are other more options there as well. So let me just hit back here and not schedule this. And after doing that, tap on upload shorts, and it should start uploading your shorts. Now you can check it out by simply heading over to your channel on your page, and there you should see your video getting uploaded. And just wait for a while, and after it gets uploaded, you're basically good to go. And that is how you upload YouTube Shorts on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.